Feeling a bit older and dealing with financial challenges? Wondering how to manage your money better? Well, we've got some valuable money tips just for you. Welcome to Luxo-Life, your partner towards success. Luxo-Life is all about achieving success in various aspects of life. We're here to assist you on your journey. Now let's get started. Cook and save. Dining out or ordering in can be convenient, but it can also be a drain on your wallet. Those restaurant bills and food delivery fees can add up quickly. Plus, eating out may not always be the healthiest option. By learning to cook at home, you're not only saving money but also gaining culinary skills, which is like having a secret superpower in your kitchen. Imagine planning your meals, visiting the grocery store, and whipping up your favorite dishes at home. It's not just about savings, it's about making healthier choices, knowing what goes into your food, and perhaps even impressing friends and family with your newfound cooking talents. It's like an investment in your overall well-being while safeguarding your financial future. So, before dining out, consider cooking a healthy and delicious meal at home first. Think before you buy. Avoid impulse spending. Impulse purchases, those spur-of-the-moment buys that seem great at the time, can be budget busters. It's like that tempting ice cream cone you suddenly crave but later regret. Make it a habit to give yourself some time before splurging on something unplanned. It's like hitting the pause button and asking yourself, do I really need this right now, or is it just a passing fancy? It's a bit like a fashionista who takes a second look in the mirror before buying that trendy but maybe not so practical outfit. By avoiding impulsive spending, you not only save money but also develop your financial savvy. You become a mindful shopper, making informed choices that keep your wallet happy and healthy for years to come. Prioritize quality over quantity. When you're out shopping, especially for things like clothes, it's smart to pick quality over quantity. What that means is, it's better to buy something that might be a little more expensive upfront, but it's like making an investment in your wardrobe. These high-quality items usually last longer, keeping their shape, color, and style intact, which in the long run actually saves you money. Plus, it's a good choice for the environment because you won't be throwing things away as often. So think about it this way. Choose quality over quantity, and you'll have clothes and stuff that lasts, saves you money, and helps the planet too. It's like making a smart, sustainable choice for your pocket and the environment at the same time. Harness the power of passive income. Passive income is like having a second way to make money, and the best part is, you don't need to be glued to it all the time. It can come in different forms, like investing in stocks that pay you dividends, or creating an online course that people pay for. The great thing about passive income is that it gives you some extra cash, makes your financial situation more secure, and lets you have more freedom to go after your dreams and passions. So here's the deal. Passive income is like having a financial buddy that works for you while you're doing other fun stuff in life. It's like setting up a money-making machine that doesn't need your constant attention. And it can be a game changer, giving you the flexibility to follow your dreams and boost your financial security. Your future self will thank you for this smart move, and you'll be enjoying the sweet taste of financial independence. Save for unexpected expenses. Before you go spending your entire paycheck, put some money into a savings account. This is like creating a special fund for those unexpected surprises life can throw at you. We call it a rainy day fund. It's kind of like carrying an umbrella on a rainy day. It's there to protect you when life decides to surprise you with a curveball. By setting aside some of your money in this rainy day fund, you're basically building a safety net. It catches you when things don't go as planned, and it keeps your financial world steady even when unexpected expenses pop up. So think of it as preparing for those rainy days. It's a smart way to ensure your financial security and peace of mind. Start saving for your future. You know what they say, it's never too early to begin saving for your later years. Picture it like planting seeds in your own money garden. The earlier you get started, the more those savings will grow over time. So when you finally reach your golden years, you'll have a financial safety net that brings you security and the freedom to enjoy life just the way you want. It's all about planning for the future, and saving is like nurturing those seeds in your money garden. The sooner you begin, the stronger those financial roots will be, giving you peace of mind and the ability to make the most of your well-deserved retirement years. Make informed investments. Investing in something you're unfamiliar with is like wandering through a dark forest without a clear path. Before you make any investment, whether it's in stocks, real estate, or a startup, make sure you understand the ins and outs. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Investing in what you understand is like choosing a path you've explored rather than one shrouded in mystery. It's about safeguarding and growing your hard-earned money, much like nurturing a plant with the right soil and sunlight. So remember, it's cool to be curious and learn, but never rush into investments without a solid grasp of what you're getting into. Your financial future will thank you for it. Stay on the same page with your partner. When you're in a relationship, it's super important to be on the same page with your partner about money stuff because, money matters can have a big impact on your daily life, your dreams, and where you're headed in the future. So it's like you and your partner need to have those open and honest talks about your financial goals, how you spend your money, and how you plan to handle things like bills and savings together. Think of it as working together to create a financial roadmap. It's kind of like being a team and figuring out how to tackle money issues so you can handle financial challenges and build a solid and trust-filled foundation for your relationship. So when you're both on the same financial page, it's like pedaling a tandem bike. You cover more ground with less effort. Plus, you can avoid those bumps and potholes that sometimes show up on the financial road. Being in sync isn't just about preventing money-related arguments, it's about building a strong and trust-based connection that keeps your relationship stay on a smooth and happy path. Stay connected and expand your social circle. Maintaining connections with old friends and making new ones adds excitement to life's journey. First, cherish your existing friendships. They're like the cozy blankets of your social world. Reach out through calls, texts, or online chats. Technology makes it easier than ever. You can also plan coffee dates, movie nights, or game evenings to relive good times. Old friends are like comfortable, well-worn shoes. They're familiar and still take you on exciting journeys. Now, for the adventure of forging new connections, think of it as spicing up life's recipe. Explore clubs, groups, or events that match your interests, be it hiking, cooking, or book clubs. Attend workshops and classes to learn something new while mingling with kindred spirits. Don't be afraid to start conversations. Your next best friend might just be a friendly hello away. And remember, social media is your 21st century campfire. Follow inspiring individuals, participate in conversations, and share your thoughts to expand your network and let new friendships flourish. So get out there, have a blast, and watch those bonds bloom. Seek that promotion. Asking for the promotion you've been eyeing is perfectly acceptable. It's not something to be embarrassed about. It's a step forward on your career journey. Consider the hard work you've put in, the experience you've gained, and the effort you've invested. Asking for a promotion simply means you're ready for the next challenge. Remember, if you don't ask, you might never know. Your boss might be busy juggling numerous tasks and may not realize your aspirations. So go ahead, schedule that chat, and put your career aspirations on the table. It's not about being pushy, it's about being proactive. So whether it's about cooking at home to save some cash or aiming for that promotion to boost your income, we've got your back when it comes to improving your financial future. We'd really like to hear from you. Which tip did you find most helpful? And if you have any great money-saving ideas of your own, please share them in the comments below. Your thoughts could be just what someone else needs to hear. Also, remember to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with Luxo-Life's latest money-savvy tips and lifestyle hacks. Thanks for being here with us, Luxo lovers. We'll catch you in the next one.